Hi friends, want to show you my new head massager that I just received. It has 10 contact points with your head, with your scalp, and looks great. You get this USB-C cable to charge it, and as you can see, it has these 10 long vibrating extensions and these 4 ones on top of it. Let's try it. Okay, so you install it like this and you turn it on. Okay. It goes all around and it goes back. Okay, it's great. It's a gentle massage. It's not that hard, and it rotates. It changes the different modes, so it's not boring either. It changes. It has different modes. I'm feeling different kinds of massage, a different vibrating modes. So it makes it even fun. I think I could get a nap with it. Okay, perfect. Try it. It's great. You can change 4 modes: active mode, leisure mode, beauty mode, and sleep mode. You just touch it and it will change the dynamic of the massage depending on which mode you select. Perfect. And it says it will turn off automatically after 15 minutes of operating. So you could have up to a 15-minute session